This is the aloe vera plant. It might look scary, but what's inside is actually magical. Before we jump inside, let's take a closer look. Wow, this is an incredible plant. See you in the lab. This is a aloe vera plant. It's extremely beautiful. It's very smooth, but not on the edges. If you look close, they're almost like little dinosaur teeth. This looks like a lizard tail. Well, as I mentioned earlier, this thing is magical. So let's take a look inside so you'll know exactly where I'm coming from. Ouch! I poked myself. Maybe what's inside can be of some benefit. All right, the reason why this particular plant is very magical is because of the gel inside. Wow, look at that. Whoa. Did you know that this plant was this, whoa, ooey and gooey? Well, that's what makes it magical. Wow. The aloe vera gel is very helpful towards acne and burns. That's right. Extremely helpful. Man, this plant is incredible. Let's take a closer look. Always use an adult or someone older than me when dealing with sharp objects. Whoa. Look at this thing. Whoa. This is the inside of this incredible long plant. And as I mentioned, it is slimy. Very slimy. This is the aloe vera plant. Whoa. Look at how slimy this thing is. And that's what's inside the aloe vera plant. It's pretty sharp on the outside, so be careful. And it's really slimy and slippery on the inside, as you can see. And it has a really funny smell. So you might want to wear a mask. But you never know. You might actually like this smell. It's not so bad. Whoa. Slimy. And that's what's inside an aloe vera plant. The reason why they're magical, because that slime is great for skin. You don't believe me? Just ask someone. They might tell you, hey, I love aloe vera. Well, that's all that we have for this video. This guy was extremely slimy, but it was all worth it. Remember, just be careful. The sides are really spiky. Well, I'll see you on the next one. G out.